Today we are going to do makeup inspired by Litten. So I'm going to start off by using my Heat Seeker palette, and we are going to use the color Daybed right here. I'm going to use this little brush. I'm going to do this a few times and really build this up. Go into the corner and slightly underneath. That way we can start with a gradient. So next we're going to take a little blending brush, our Fire palette from the Milk Cosmetics. I'm going to use the color Hothead right here. And we are going to outline our eye with that. So I'm going to go like this and bring it over. And bring it quite over. I'm going to bring it out too. And I'm going to go in with a few layers of this and really blend it out until it's a beautiful gradient. And put a smidgen bit right here too. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bigger blending brush. We're going in with my Natasha Denona palette, and I'm going to use the blackest black here. Any black will work, but we're just going to dab it like lightly. And I'm going to outline this. I want a nice gradient here. So like nothing too crazy. Like go as light as you can, because we're going to try and make like a beautiful gradient. And make sure to put it slightly underneath too. So to give this extra dimension, we're coming back in with this little blending brush. And we're going to go to the Fire palette again, and we're going to use Ego Trip here. This one has like a lot of shine to it. And what we're going to do is blend this in here, okay? This has more shine and it just gives you like an extra sparkle. So we're coming back to the Heat Seeker palette. We're going to take this little brush and we're going to go in here with this color right here. It is color Sun Club. And this one has just like a little bit more shimmer than the other one. So just put it like right here to really shimmer it up and right underneath. So last but not least, we're going to do a little bit of eyeliner. I like to use my angled little brush. We're going to go in with the Natasha Denona palette again with the blackest black. And now we're going to do a slight little bit of eyeliner. Nothing too crazy, because this is not the main event. It's the eyeshadow that's the main event. And bring it down. Time for some mascara. The Sephora Love the Lift and the LYS Lash Confidence. And time for the other side. And that is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next time. Like, follow, and subscribe for more.